Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Ronnie in Ronnie's World. So on this wonderful Saturday afternoon, getting ready to bounce into New York City, go check out the exhibit at the Paley Media Center down in Midtown. Got two great exhibits going on there right now. One featuring artifacts and memorabilia used to film the Nat Geo documentary about Malcolm X and Martin Luther King. And they also have another exhibit that we're going to try to get into that has all of the Super Bowl rings ever created, plus a whole multimedia experience that they have surrounding the NFL. So those two exhibits, Paley Center, New York City, getting ready to bounce out, taking you guys with me. So standing outside the Paley Museum right now, getting ready to walk in. Can already tell, just look behind me, they got the NFL field going on right now. So we're getting ready to go inside and see what it is.